Etu comedians was a journalist be abe classmate John Mahama concerning demonstration and coalition of unpaid teachers. Omu ye na saying as omu I come across and we hear omu name because yen tio muka why you make go fish you know yen tio muka omu dia before any libre ebe kasa e ma omu nsem come kan no journalists for ni be any communicators ni be agina so na omu dia blasting John Mahama pay ye mama nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section hi PENYAH block media mesra say ni die Obe like video no that one subscribe button stand back the notification icon update update and better the word the mama e wo comment section oba so no share for PENYAH be ashe obe ka enche bia anakrata bi every Ghana Education Service omu aso e baaye akrata no kenkem omu kire mu se omu de ohye ato obi biara oye teacher ni so o kire ni omu de ohye ato no so a preventing from say obeye demonstration say teacher ni osi obi amaketua maaye me akam ache swate bonuses bi e wo say de kan ya amfa anka ho ene ade bi enti me bu ofu me tie si montino akoya ye kire krate no mu kire mu pen say sa de etu atwa o matwam. They put a ban on all teachers from engaging in any form of demonstration or picketing. Omu do hye etomus e ma dan sem ne ba ye kra no antintam if say teacher from be efu ye ema o meke kan o madwen e de kire aban no esemasa munya de mode ba no o muntimi kan kire se komode na yakatua ma ye nye ye kire de bi muntimi kan asem ne kire ye e na so mu ja nansan mu bi wo yenti obia Stubborn Academy teacher for na o ma ye adwuma emfinhia enkomienu ni because 2024 NF4 madwuma 2024 ne form is no senka aketua starteba 2025 but from 2025 ebe nyina no NDC government I now you say enyo no na fa wo management no ntuo muka. That is the reality. NDC government I now you say enyo no na fa wo madwuma e yakufa na fa wo October ekora ye de October mu September October mu no I dey employ wo mu o just e yakufa na fa wo management ne NDC government empese obetu muka o ma ya adwan finhia mienu konfinhia mienu yentuo muka ema so na nsen o be demonstration as na uti o mo so muka na in fact na emu are ho
for say omuncha areas in my head dos yani nurses for ni na ya kwa ya start edumeja nurses na omo ye demonstration ba ko pe mu dom payment plan na but teachers ya demonstration ya press ya come ya executive for omo meeting but obia sem papa bia mfim ba my I'm tired teacher adwuma no kra ma me no me ho kwa se me chisi profession me nyimu nyina me de kwa adwuma me call NNC as early as 6 o'clock that me by 7:38 na ma phone na me say ko me nyim ya me call maternity leave 3 months me ja me ba wo fie me say actually nyina mo fa yesika ma I'm getting tired my bread teacher adwuma na in my prayer I'm che yesika ma ya ne won so yesika na yesika sweaty. When you feel Ghana, you can try a kind society, and it's something if you work for yes,
how much more that is in the classroom.
Okay, let me ask, what really triggered today's demonstration? Because I hear some of your members saying that you have not been paid for 14 months or so, but now they are recruiting new personnel into the industry. Like, I want to find out, is it the main reason or the motive behind today's demonstration?
Definitely not. That is not the main motive. The main reason is because we gave government a timeline. On 5th of January 2026, we did a press conference and we told government to come up with a clear payment plan. In February, the nurses received a payment schedule from the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Finance, but teachers did not receive anything. But it's the same clearance from cabinet that is supposed to cover both arrears of nurses and teachers. So we are here to demand our payment plan. Simple.
So how have you been called?
Ya pay ye. Eme ho kra no Mahama ode yeka uchumutai ode yeka 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 Haruna ode yeka uchumutai ode yeka hands serious. Ghana head the power. Ghana head. Now we are demonstration now. Omuya yano. Ona emu anika. Bana arehosem. I say na emu anika, but na emu sa arehosem. Ano. Ana communicators maybe any journalist who hate knows there be. How Mahama AC treaty teachers for Ghana Hanum. Yamian Ukraine. And yet na I was said you can be Mahama Mahama. Omo abe clash with John Mahama. Na winning semwa omo eka.
And granted to a model free Kumasi for high diving teacher. As a man, okay. What you Kumasi, Modinako, your friend say, Man Cranso, what to a church baby teacher. Nyan Saben was 17 as a joker. Or Marco, or Macasa, or Macasa. Can you imagine? What sort of people are we? And paying for better to groom me. Well, because you be what? Woman family come bread. Nyan Sabian, it doesn't make one bit sense. I'm like, how? How? What sort of people are we? Look at them, Nessie Madness, Nibba Senechi. And Nibba Senechi. Nasha boy see, Yan Sabian. Everything not be seen up. I was even expecting, say, and can you manage me? I because so finance minister, a religious guy from Monday's Cababa, Aden. Woman, so for 17 months. Are we that wicked? Oh, my man, granny. In fact, at the point I'm making one that. Now, my cry isn't what's dying for this country. If I saw your granny, so we are going to a monko. And the China, you know, what is this? Yet I come. Yet I come, the other out of the day. Ah, you come, the other out of the bay, Mudia. Yaquay. More mobile from what you grew. Ah, what kind of country I am petty for a very sensitive say? What be on your home? Ah, now branch here to not try your 17 and don't come here. Oh, and the teacher for sure was issue as I didn't talking in Ari. I was some sa, what by now, what Ramsa, a common. Where's he be teacher? Oh, yes, can you what taboo? Oh, yes, teacher, you're trying to lighten. You're trying to pipe. Oh, yes, you can't hear it. 17 months, now we any you people are wicked. Please. And you make subsequent government. Let me yet to prove my baby or baby teacher for contract, nurse for contract. When we cry no more, my year to my do. When we are for fractures, when we be beyond the whole more, because what tried your 10 years now, I don't never be you in the entire cry for Gaxano. When we are more year, Juma, that young boys are again. What's what you class obey teacher? Now, so because at this point, young girl, I was in the bashality. What's what you mean? And the food said, no, because
you need Jimmy Brett. What's in the panonok of Demua? Then, oh my Gani Bina. A tumpine. And my doom so nearby, who are prayer, stop it. And my nurse, if I am to your mocano, yet you are mocha. And my teacher, for I am to your mocan, yet you are mocha. And my AI system, my dear band, your pot, I stand still. Yen to me, Noma, yen to me, Fan Womanco. A man for no bedrua, bear 3 days, no monsankai, 1 week, no monsankai, no, as of we. And my quanya to a quanya, Sabian to me, Ghana, a Soviana. I'm sure a man for me, Yabinum, Bosumi Babako, na man for Yansun, Absumi, na man for Yansun, and Numye. Stability levels, because of Galamsey, and I'm paying John Mahama. And I'm paying John Mahama and the catcher and so on, one appointees, Libby, a illegal mine. I've been Cassia Sunday, I drink it 20 years. What's in your chum? The Canada will be our saying so. Was saying so, Nabanumbi Manumbi. Yaba won't cry deformities. Ghana Bessia Boca, every team swans, the Benjabianum. Chronon in the pabon for Ben a chain we. Boy, mine is she mine for Ben a chance and Crufui. The Canada, young Quachichrom.
Share million teacher for Yakachram. Some of us said it during campaign as a movie. Now, NDC Abaya and Abaya or support teachers. Abaya Obama NDC in count. Teachers didn't listen. Yenti upon the MPP in another danko for the MA. Teachers didn't listen. We went ahead campaign. We were the vehicles. Teachers and nurses were the vehicles that NDC used to win these elections. Now nurses campaign with hospitals. Now teachers campaign with schools and communities. Yana yes I could translate election day as EC officials and moderate here. Na ye kululu. I'm an NDC for a winning. You understand? But and then ye every year say teaching where ye juma over a year and some months. Ye twiaoka. Oba say oba catch nipa employer say on tria meka was some police fashion apamo. You know baby ya. You understand? People don't know. Most of the young guys are mobile teaching money. And I want to set on record say Obian can me say before 2017 and I do down Kwakufa do befa akunya so na teacher ni bia ni work to do 50 million. I'm saying it. And me pay NDC I'll use my pay slip to prove it. Na me assistant director 1. I wasn't just a teacher, assistant director. Sorry, assistant director 2, AD2. No BNU and salary, a drew 15 million at that time. Now do down Kwakufa do the 8 years no now a double teacher salary. He had doubled more than double teacher. Net teacher did more than double what he met. Teacher need make some boy. Net teacher need be a salary more than double of what in another better way. No be more than double. No send the allowance is a big can. The land nearby why professional allowance one not the buy. Yet we were made to believe say Nanado pay teacher for asem. Emma must sorry could the line so I must go through about here MPP. And then why year for 15 months so Oba because she was a young American Yama police for Pamo. In young many are yet to be unfolding. Because they are not for you. They are not for you to end this year. Mauba. Untimini the atem mom. Untimini social media any day they will not see your effort. And yet teachers and Bible. Abaya I say one this one ambulance and ya de papano and the pragia ne mamo. In this modern world, yet the pragia already health insurance is free. When in this health insurance is free, am free care? And the free primary care not and anyway. What is the primary care? Primary care is already free. Primary care is already free. So now you have this kind of health insurance mo. Any day back say any policy. The earlier the NDCs tend to bring a social policy because the MP for can move for social intervention role, move for social intervention role into Mahama care. Unyaskan way health insurance are for establish in Husika. No, what to be out there, Mahama care. Another vehicle for recruit and share. But many motive for 2020 they go to bad. Start short memory now so more. May be. Bien, not to papa.
Media legend, as I fear, my figures from 2017, recruitment MPP. Media may fun say first time 4 years now, from 2017 to 2020. NPP, I recruited teachers, Makumako 93,700.
Right.
For 4 years ago, 93,700. Say, all striking by average, I had 23,000 every year.
Okay.
Now, where can I say, party, you know, why now Guinea teachers still well? Because within 4 years, a buying bit to me, I recruited 23,000 teachers every year.
Okay.
And probably about them, no. Now, they shall be.
Yes, you can anymore.
What they are doing is that they want the economic metrics to look good.
Okay.
And I almost say reserve a lot of reserve, $13 billion reserve.
Okay.
And then these people are claiming to build a future,
Okay.
but they are refusing to pay teachers. They are refusing to recruit teachers who are going to teach that future. NDC is a cabal. NDC is a political party. I'm telling you, NDC is not a political party. I have to say, NDC, may I call them National Deceitful Congress? Yes, National Deceitful Congress.
Okay.
And elections, Ghana form, Ghana form. And then you will be now DNDC. Did they mean who are
What Mama Kai Abranti be a man who engage, proud to election 2024.
Yes.
My brother.
Yes, Makai.
The NG I was support to NDC could have with him and
only more. Only and I for that. No, I'm making a remember. I'm going to say, hey, ma, the airport, Nico see them all. Who goes bus, it's them, maybe I can't know from the minister. I'm going to say, oh, I buy Muko to India for my minimum one to be a bomb, but my higher power. My make us me training, and I make or say, I am 2 years old. Now, this is one of my not dead. I open no be, what get 3,000. What here? No, be said me back. Amount 6,000. Ah, me and Nipa. 3,000 and soon.
No, I'm going to do no more share. Brand NDC.
They thought fair, Papa. No, I say, was here BB. Nimtron were jay. Into the no, 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 here BB. Any yes, here BB. Any, let me say, Ghana had a lot of mistakes. In fact, every crown now, we better say, you too, Chroma cry, one of our mistakes. But let me tell you, one of our biggest mistakes ever Ghana has done. And they say, ya allow Papa John Mahama NDC. And then a crowing, I yet Mahama in the Busia.
And yet, Cabina mean Cabina, yeah,
there be Ghanaians didn't think twice.
Okay.
They thought this man has been a president before. Ofeli Poto, and unti Sam Redie, what 8 years. Osia Bibinti Yabana Quenya. We were warning them because we know them. Because we know them, sir. They know more than non politicians. Even though they are not political party or more active or more they buy back Ghana for. NDC, NDC say, it will be Ghana for, it will be fair Ghana. A dear about woman Ghana couldn't NDC and into the free education back. Almost 419. In fact, almost 30 something advert against free education and they don't know almost almost they buy.
Right.
I did be a woman Ghana can be even to the sense that Ghana card impo NDC held a press conference there. Trying to almost supporters.
Ghana card communication minister mean Kawan said wine maybe or call vet in the visa also Ghana card.
Also Ghana card.
Honorable Sam John, a state minister, advocating strongly against Ghana card. Encouraging Ghana for the one as a moment on need Ghana card. Vetting a state minister elsewhere apart from Ghana. Okay, yeah, nominating just say BBIS. Better have what I see a minister.
As it stands now, say Obi now, I can say, your man Penibia organ in Ghana. Now I say, and your man grave film, and then the teachers, or main Dutch. Or maybe so maybe put anymore egina adisiaso or maybe a fapim egina adisiaso Malaysia Singapore or shall say deliberate attempt say you be education like a discovery room you invest in education and now or more try a mad mpo intimi show you see in this case debate your mom a school mo echo ma de you car you never talk pad Obi aye din we are sitting on a time bomb. One day, John Mahama almost 292 million Ghana cedis. Old currency, new currency, you know, though. I said, on the hawk was up pad. Now, a giant editor for what try a mad dear. Or more, mammy, papa, I show mu school. I don't know, I was 4 years. And brother, almost pardon. The editor for and what your mother, which I want to also okay. Until follow me. Nobody is directing Ghana.
Right, Eddie.
I'm telling you. Thank you, bro.
Let us say,
To the wild girl from Mamma, comment section. I bring a broke media.